Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to get free extra iCloud storage without paying. If your iPhone keeps saying storage almost full, here's how to stretch your iCloud space without upgrading. First, open settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and then manage account storage, and then delete old backups from your device you no longer use. Those take up a lot of hidden space. And then next, what you can do is in iClouds turn off photos backup. If you already use Google Photos, Dropbox, or any other free cloud app, this instantly saves gigabytes. Also, disable unnecessary app backup. Scroll through the list and switch off the apps you don't need saving to iCloud. Just like that. Now next, what you guys can do is always double check before deleting backups. Make sure they're from devices you truly don't use anymore. Quick fix: if you still need more space, move large files and photos to Google Drive or OneDrive. Both give free storage, then clear them from iCloud. And yeah, that is how you guys can free up extra iCloud storage without paying. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.